In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Canva designs not blurry with this 2025 full guide. Whether you're working on a digital project, preparing a presentation, or designing visuals for your favorite social media platform, ensuring crisp and clear images is crucial. So let's dive right in. To begin, the key to achieving clear graphics in Canva is about getting your export settings just right, because they hold a significant impact on the final output quality. When you're ready to download your creation, make sure you select the appropriate settings. If you're working with images, try setting it to PNG with a 2x size. This doubles the pixel density and results in a sharper image. For text-heavy situations, you might want to consider downloading as a PDF print to retain text clarity, and for videos, opt for the 1080p download option. These settings ensure that your work remains crisp without compromising quality. Now let's talk about dimensions. Starting your design with the right size can make a monumental difference. For most projects, you'll want to use dimensions like 1920 by 1080 pixels, especially if your intended display is a standard HD screen. This ensures that your design retains its quality when viewed at normal size and doesn't get stretched or pixelated. Be sure to use high-resolution images right from the get-go. Stretching a small image to fit a larger canvas is one of the quickest routes to a blurry output, and a good rule of thumb is to avoid resizing the design after you've exported it. Upload it in its original size. If additional resizing is necessary, go back, adjust the canvas in Canva, and export again. Furthermore, always match your designs to the platform where they will be uploaded. Social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube each have recommended size dimensions for images and videos. By aligning your design with these standards right from the start, you ensure that your content appears its best without distortion. For example, Instagram might need a different aspect ratio compared to YouTube, so double check these specifications and adjust your canvas accordingly. Taking these steps will significantly improve the quality of your Canva designs, ensuring they look professional and sharp regardless of where they are displayed. Always remember, starting with the right settings and dimensions can save a lot of hassle in the long run. With practice, these choices will become second nature, and your designs will consistently look their best. And that's it for today's guide on making Canva not blurry. Implement these tips, and you'll notice your designs maintaining the sharpness and quality you envisioned. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!